X-Treme Synthetic Food-Grade NSF-Approved Grease. Amsoil X-Treme Synthetic Food-Grade Grease is an ultra-premium aluminum complex grease designed with non-toxic additives to help keep food and pharmaceuticals free from contamination. It is acceptable as a lubricant with incidental food contact for use in and around food processing areas. Remains stable at temperature extremes. X-Treme Synthetic Food-Grade Grease provides exceptional performance over a wide operating temperatures, making it an excellent grease for both hot and cold applications. Maximum equipment life. Amsoil X-Treme Synthetic Food-Grade Grease features excellent extreme pressure capabilities that reduce friction and heat generation and help eliminate metal-to-metal contact. It promotes maximum equipment performance and life. X-Treme Synthetic Food-Grade Grease resists water washout, ensuring it stays in place when exposed to water during washing and rinsing. Its excellent washout resistance helps reduce greasing frequency, saving time spent performing maintenance. It also protects equipment from the harmful effects of water, including rust and corrosion. Join the millions of proud Amsoil users to experience the difference and get your Amsoil X-Treme Synthetic Food-Grade NSF-Approved Grease today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.